Hello, I'm Chad Smith. I'm coming to you again today to speak about the traffic space. I wanted to highlight our partnership with Flexi. Flexi is the premium software for traffic. It is the premium software for color, and it is the premium software for color density. This software will allow you to make sure you're going to hit your regulations every time. This unit will allow you to color replace, design. It will also allow you to send a job and run any printer that you may be dealing with. At Reece Supply, we like to pair Flexi with Nikkalite sheeting and the Mimaki UCJV300. That pairing will bring a change in your traffic game.